To fit the SAFEFIX PLUS, simply follow these steps. Put your hand through the back of the seat and pull the green handle to extend the ISOFIX latches. Turn the seat around to line up the ISOFIX latches with the ISOFIX anchorage points in the car. Press until you hear the seat click into position and the green indicators are shown. Press the orange button. Push the seat back fully into place. Adjust the support leg all the way to the floor until it clicks into place and is firmly on the floor. Finally, check the installation is correct by holding onto the harness, making sure it is firm and secure. When in use, place your child's arms through the shoulder straps and bring the two buckle tongues together so that they interlock. Fasten the two buckle tongues firmly into the buckle until you hear a click. Adjust the shoulder straps, ensuring that there are no twists, and pull the harness tight with the adjuster strap. Double check that the harness is tightened enough so that you can still get 2 fingers underneath. This will ensure your child is comfortable and secure.